Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a TikTok sound into your edited videos in CapCut. So before you adding the TikTok sound to your videos in CapCut, you need to make sure that you sign in or log in into CapCut using your your TikTok account. And after that, you need to make sure that you already saved the sound in your TikTok. So here, I'm going to go to TikTok first. And here, I'm going to click on the audio on this video. Click on the audio here. Then click add to favorites here. Okay, until it turns to black like this. And after that, you can open your CapCut. And here, click on the add audio sound. And here click on this TikTok icon at the sound menu. But you need to know that not all song that you saved on TikTok will be shown here on CapCut because it might be have copyright issue. Okay, you can see in here some songs may not be shown due to copyright issue, but there are two song or music shown here. So let's say I'm going to use this one. Just download it first, and after that click on the plus icon, and just like that the sound from TikTok will be added to my videos. So that's all for me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.